Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and today I'm coming at you with a project share. I am joining hashtag 2crafters1design, and that's Melissa here on YouTube with Moe Creations, Lisa with UCYIMADIVA, and Gloria with Girlie's Cards. So every week they provide a prompt, and this week's prompt was anything Christmas, and they asked for anyone to join in if they want, so I thought I'd join. I also am joining the hashtag Satmore Makes. This is for Jill Norwood here on YouTube, and she wants everyone to craft during the week and then share their crafting skills and things they made on Saturday. So super excited to join both of those hashtags this week. So let me show you the items that I used to create my card. What I have to show you, not a card, so I almost slipped there. So first up, from the Stamp Doctor, I used this die set. It's called Mini Coffee Cover Dies. And I also used from Scrap Diva Designs this mini coffee cup. It's a holder and coffee cup holder. So you purchase the little cute cups off of Amazon with the lids, and then you can put them in the holder. And this is the one that wraps around the cup, so you'll show you in a minute. I also use these cute letters from Spellbinders, big, bold, uppercase alphabets. And this was kind of funny because all of these were stuck, you know, to the plastic sheeting under there. And I just left them on there and put them on my die cut machine, and that's die cut them all. So it was way easier than picking the letters out one by one, which I ended up having to do a couple of letters twice, but that was cool. I also used some little gems from Honeybee. I used all except one of the white here, and then I used some of the more sparkly ones here. And then I searched through my stash for something I could use to embellish the little boxes. And I have this Warm Winter, it's Warm Wishes by Vicki Boutin. I have this entire set, and I used the embellishments out of here. And then on Etsy, I found I don't buy too many things off of Etsy, but I was searching for some cute little images, and I came across Polly's paper on Etsy, and I got these cute little, oh, they're so adorable little reindeer. I mean, look at the eyes. They're so cute. So let me share with you a couple of the designs. I'm not going to show you all. So I made these for handouts at work. I haven't been able to make anything and hand it out at work because we telework now. So it's been a while, and I love doing this. And so it's been a while since I've been able to make things. So here's my design. Here's one of them, because they all have, you know, it's only so many of the different pictures of the little reindeer, and then so many different types of ephemera that I put on front. I was going to add Merry Christmas, and then I thought, no, I want it to kind of be a generic holiday. I love putting people's initials or their name on the projects that I make for work, and that way I know I have everyone. No one's left out. So what I did was I wanted to use paper from my stash. I got tons of paper, but my paper was so thick that when I cut the design for the cup, it just was hard to adhere to these little cups. So what I did was I just used brown paper, a roll of brown paper, wrapping paper that I had, you know, here at the house, and I was able to cover the cups. And then I used the sweet little, you know, die. I don't have that one here, but it's just the circle with the, you know, dotted stitching design on top. But I think it turned out really cute. So here's one. I'm gonna just show you a few. I made 16, and this one I just put joy, and then that's for another individual. Then I made me one so I can sit on my desk. I have joy, and then here's another one. The little, I thought they were so simple. And I don't have the cup in this one, but this is how this one is going to look with the bow. So I cut these out actually several months ago, for July 4th projects, and we didn't go in the office during that time. So luckily we will be going in the office a week or so before Christmas, so I'll be able to hand these out. So inside I'm having hot chocolate K-cup inside. So let me know what you think below. I think they turned out really cute. Be sure to check out everyone's designs by using the hashtag 2crafters1design as well as hashtag SadMoreMakes. Thanks for joining me today.